Alright, I think it's the time to create another ISO, because this has been created now. ArcoLinux OB menu generator extended Git. But this one should be out. It's not all of them, it's just one of them. Okay, so this is in. That's the last thing we did. Then we have also an open box, ArcoLinux open box extended, and we have a configuration for all the rest. Extended, here it is. And save again. Just thinking, created. Do we have anything else somewhere? No, the word created is gone. So we've created all the packages that we intended to do. And I think if this ISO is gonna look good, that I hope this is the final video. So let's first exit open box, shut down this time. Don't want to see you. Let's last check, test push. Okay, sorry guys, there was something in there. Probably Genie. There was a trick somebody told me, something about amend. Let me look that up. So it seems I can change the message, git amend, and press enter. Okay, so, well, first off, I need to know what I put on there. Okay, so these were all our pushes. So test push was actually this one, not Genie. Control C. So git amend. Oops. What was it? Okay, and press enter. Got it. Time to stop this. It is demanding on my brain. But it has been fun. It is. Not sure what all this is. First time ever. That's how we learn. Phew. Not nicer. Oh my God. I wonder if I did something stupid here. Or not. I'm gonna turn this back. Wait a moment, guys. I hope I don't make it worse. So, in case it is gonna be worse, that is possible. Control C, Control V, I have a copy. So let's try this code. And let's do this. That's better. Let's do a final push to see there are no differences. Just push. Nothing to commit. Okay. Feeling good. Just in the nick of time, in the end, everything goes wrong. So our backup is not needed anymore. This one can go. All right, building it again. That moment of truth. So everything is online. This is what we have achieved in, I don't know, what time did I start? Let's have a look. When did we start? All right, 1.6 gig, it's out. It's ready to test. Super 7, boot it up. Let's have fun. In the meantime, while I was waiting, I made a new Calamaris installer. So I want to test that out. And then I'll build it again and I'll share the ISO with you guys. I'll put it on SourceForge, we'll put it on SeedHost. And you can try it out. So, Blink is there. We're working with 3.2.15. This is PSPWM. Cancel. Yes. Control T. You don't need to do this next time around. Remember, I've made a new Calamaris installer. Let me show you a trick. I'm gonna get my Azerty. That's not the trick. Yeah, the wallpapers are hidden these days. So in the next ISO, you won't be seeing them. I've just activated the ISO, the repo ISO. And of course he finds a new Calamaris. And it's already installed in etc. Don't need to do any scales or anything like it. And then booting up, it's an interesting thing because Calamaris sometimes crashes. PK execute me Calamaris. And let's see. Oh, good. So I'm used just one image, this one. It's enough, right? It just shows you a lot of things. That's all on this ISO. So next time you'll boot, don't do all the things I've just done. I'll just show you the nice logo. And you just do like always. Log in, go. Install, please. The critical phase. Remember, there's an article. All you need to know about Calamaris, Google it. ArcoLinux, all you need to know about Calamaris. Google finds it. Second or a link or so. Let's wait till everything is installed. Everything is installed. And join me in the next video. We're going to boot up and we're gonna look around. All right, cheers.